would ever think of making a marker?
A marker. It's insane.
They even gave us like this color palette.
These colors. Which one should we do?
We should do this one and we'll call it
the turquoise skedaddle-doodle.
Yes, skedaddle-doodle.
Okay. So it needs blue and yellow. So I'll get the blue and you get the yellow. See it? Oh, this looks so cool. Oh, I'm smelling it too.
Oh, that smells so good.
Oh, it's blueberry. You do your yellow. Oh, the scent. It smells so good. Okay,
smells amazing.
So, tweezers.
Okay,
here we go. Oh yeah, sure, I'll do it. Whoa!
Clumsy me.
Okay, let's do it. Oh, there we go, there we go. Oh!
Dun, 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 dun.
Okay,
like that.
let's push it in like this. Perfecto. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Come on, we got this. Okay, now.
Oh, wait, I have
the cap on. Okay, here we go. Look at it. Yeah, there we go. Look at it. Perfect. Woo. Oh, look at it. It's finished. Whoa. Put the cap on. Lift it out. Oh, our own marker.
I know.
Let's see how it works. Whoa.
Oh my goodness, that's the most
It's just how the color is.
That's the most best marker ever.
Oh my God.
So amazed.
Ah.